Welcome to a new episode of Cooking Around. Today we prepare the banana muffins with chocolate and peanuts. This dose is for 12 muffins. 200 grams of Manitoba flour and half a tablespoon of cinnamon. 5 grams of baking powder, 3 grams of baking soda and 1 grams of salt, about half a teaspoon for each ingredient. Start by mixing all the ingredients in powder. Crush with a mortar 50 grams of peanuts or use a blender. And mix them with the 50 grams of chocolate chips and a couple of teaspoons of the flour mixture to prevent the chocolate chip from sinking to the bottom. 3 ripe bananas. The juice of about half a lemon. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to see new recipes every week and click on the bell to not lose any of them. Crush these bananas with a fork. Add 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Link in the description or watch to the end for the recipe of vanilla extract. Add vanilla extract and start to whisk. Add 100 grams of cane sugar. Put 100 grams of vegetable oil. I used peanut oil, but you can use wherever you prefer. Whisk until some superficial bubbles form. Don't mix more than necessary. At this point, add the flour mixture and incorporate from bottom to top. Lastly, add the peanuts and chocolate chips. Put the paper cups in the muffin mold and pour a spoonful of mixture. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for 25 minutes in a static oven. Let cool down and they will be even better the next day. Watch this recipe and I'll see you there. Stay hungry.